Alright, so Duke and I are at the local car show. It's a cruise night. Plenty to see and do. We're roasting. We've got the air on, means the windows are open. So let's see what we can see. I don't remember seeing this many people at one of these in a long time. There's a nice old truck right there. Alright, so we're going to do this a different way. I had to go back and get the Jeep. And then Duke was just roasting in that truck. So this way we can share the ride run with everybody. From this side of the track, if you will. Check out this old International. I like my old trucks. This old dude's in pretty good shape. Nice old dually. Intercoolers to give away for something. Nice 12 valve. Talking gentleman here with this old Mercury. This is pretty slick. That's old Mercury. So I can never tell the sound's going to be an issue here. Nice old Galaxy convertible next to this 57. But then you turn around and see he's got this nice old coupe sitting over here. It's a nice looking coupe. Kind of like that burgundy and black combination. Nice setup. Don't see many of these old GSs anymore. Used to be everywhere. That old dude's pretty clean. Check out these old coupes.
Oh yeah.
Love the color on that. Nice old T-bucket with the ghost flames on it. So this old Fairlane, it's similar to that Meteor that we bought that's in Colorado right now. It's not this nice yet. This has got to be the busiest I've ever seen this rod run in 20 years. And it's a pretty cool old cab over right here. Interesting color. They've got it all insulated. Got a lot of work in this old dude. Old front engine dragster. If you've ever seen those, you're literally sitting on the differential. Anything happens to that diff, it's in your crotch. Here for a second, just watch everything. Now there's the Broncos I like right there. Oh, they're starting. Starting that old dragster. walk down here and see. That's a nice looking ride there. As always, if you go off kind of off the path a little bit, you see all the really nice ones just sitting. Really nice old Bel Air, probably about a 59. Nice old Ford truck, and that's a sweet 57. Boy, that's sweet. So we have signs here for top stitch interiors, which looks pretty darn good to me. 57 Nomad.
We're enjoying looking at cars, buddy. We don't get in a hurry for it, all right?
Well, that's nice.
Yeah, that light actually was a really nice touch there. That kind of showcased everything. I'll take the top. I'm not sure.
Old Suburban. Old Thunderbird. Built one of those before. What a Cybertruck wishes it was. At least that thing's got some personality. Up to 88 miles an hour. Oh, look at there. And right there, the reason why nobody wants an EV. You even got a Ferrari out here. Nice, Gustin's old 12 valve in there. That's sweet. Even make it a dually in the back. That could be a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed the rod run. A lot of cool stuff. You never know what you're going to see out here. Like I said, it used to be the prequel to the Nostalgia Drags. Anyway, hope you subscribe to the channel. Hope you're enjoying some of the different content. See you here for places to see cool cars and stuff like that. And I'll see you in the next video.